Hey everyone! It's me, the one and only anonymous content maker. Today's video is going to be all about how to use HTML and CSS to create a responsive website. For those that don't know, responsive website design is a trend in web design that has been gaining popularity for several years now. Essentially, a responsive website design means that the website will resize to fit any screen size, so that it looks good no matter which device you are using. We'll kick things off by discussing HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it's used to create the basic structure of a website. HTML is the code that tells the browser how a web page should look and what elements should be included in it. The second part of creating a responsive website is CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets. CSS is what's used to create the look and feel of a website. This includes everything from font style, size, and color to margins, padding, and positioning of elements. With CSS, you can create website designs that are visually appealing and an amazing user experience. After discussing HTML and CSS, the next step of creating a responsive website is to ensure that the code is compatible with multiple devices. We can do this with the use of media queries. Media queries can be used to detect the size of the screen and adjust the code accordingly. This allows you to create a website that looks great even when on a small screen. Lastly, we'll talk about some responsive design best practices. To ensure that your website looks great on any device, you'll want to use relative measurements instead of absolute ones. Additionally, it's important to take the user experience into account by creating pages that are easy to navigate and offer a great user experience. And that's it. Now you know how to build a responsive website using HTML and CSS. I hope you found this information useful and that it will help you create amazing and successful websites. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with the latest web design tips.